Good day, my name's Roland, and I'm going to walk you through how to buy your day-old chicks. You've been sent a link more than likely, or someone has shared a link with you. So what you'll do is you'll go down to quantity, you'll select 1,000, you'll choose an option. If you want layers, the price will pop up as 17,400. That works out to 17 Rand and 40 cents each. If you go to broilers, you see it works out to 7,860 Rand, and that is 7 Rand and 86 cents each. The reason we have such good prices is because of the quantity that we sell. If you want more than 1,000, you can simply adjust here, maybe 2,000, 3,000, and try for 4,000. If you try for 4,000, let's see what happens. Click Add to Cart. Let's go to View Cart. And as you can see here, please log in to avail 3,144 Rand cash back from this order. You'll literally get 3,144 Rand in your wallet.